Hello, I'm Mark, and I have a bit about MPLAB XC Compilers Smart I/O feature. To optimize code and data size using standard I/O functions such as printf and scanf, MPLAB XC Compilers can customize them based on your program's arguments and specifiers. The compiler will collate and interpret information across all the calls in your program using these functions, including conversion specifiers, flags, with modifiers in your format strings, as well as information about the arguments being converted. Using this information, the compiler customizes versions of printf and scanf that use less code than a complete version of these functions otherwise would. This remarkable feature is available in all MPLAB XC compilers, and it occurs automatically without any prompting or code. However, there may be occasions when the compiler cannot deduce any information about these functions from their format strings or arguments. I recently encountered this situation on a project that I'm working on, and the compiler's Smart I/O format option was there to help. Let's take a look. In this example, my project for a PIC 18F25Q43 has implemented a messaging function, dbMessage. This function uses vprintf to format debug messages sent out using a UART. As you can see, my program only employs the %u conversion specifier. Although my program is still in the early stages of development, it uses a considerable amount of program memory of my target device when it's built. The compiler has been unable to deduce my limited use of conversion specifiers and provided the complete implementation of vprintf. This is because the format string is passed into the dbMessage function as a variable that vprintf uses. The compiler cannot determine the format string when this program is compiled. Let's help the compiler out by using the Smart I/O format option to inform it about the actual conversion specifier use. In the project properties, I select XC8 Global Options and enter a format string in the Smart I/O default format field, containing all the conversion specifiers, flags, and with modifiers my program uses. In this example, I'll just enter the string %u. Build the project again and see what effect this change has. Nice! This is a big improvement in code size. To learn more, please visit microchip.com/compilers or look up Smart I/O format in your compiler user's guide. Thanks for watching this episode, and please be sure to watch other episodes in this series.